how to message someone on Threads app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Threads application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and now go ahead and open the profile of the person whom you want to message. Now, as you can see, you will nowhere see the messages option. So let's go back and open some other profile. As you can see, the message option is not here too. However, when you visit the user's profile page, you will notice an Instagram icon on top right of their name and bio. This indicator denotes the presence of a related Instagram account for the user. Tap on the Instagram icon and Threads will take you to their Instagram account when you tap on the icon. After being forwarded to the user's Instagram, you can now tap on the message button you see there on their profile and further send them the message. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shine for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.